Venture with me through jungles and savannas to discover the wild heart of what's known as the Pearl of Africa, Uganda. Hey everyone, my name is Yobel and I go by Yobelprize. As a wildlife and travel photographer, I journey to over 60 countries aiming to share the best of the world with the rest of the world. And today I'm excited to welcome you to my very first travel vlog series. We're about to set off on a 9-day exploration of Uganda, from the captivating gorillas of Bundi to the elusive tree climbing lions of Queen Elizabeth. I hope this will give you a taste of the hidden gem that is Uganda. Before we jump in, here's a quick rundown of what you'll receive from watching this series. First and foremost, you'll have my undying gratitude, which is priceless really. As a new YouTuber, every like, subscribe, and comment is incredibly meaningful to me. So I'm keen to hear your thoughts and suggestions to keep improving. Next, I've structured our adventure into digestible episodes, and in each one, I'll immerse you in my experiences, share personal insights, and highlight unforgettable moments. And as a token of appreciation, I'll wrap up each episode with a photo montage of my favorite shots, which you'll find ready for download in the video description. So why Uganda? Having previously experienced the magic of gorilla trekking here, thanks to my travel partner, Nkuringo Safaris, I was inspired to share this adventure with fellow enthusiasts. This trip is extra special as it's the first I've organized, so a huge shout out to Delphine, my pioneer client, for putting her trust in me to deliver an unforgettable journey. So with that, our adventure kicks off in Rwanda, where we'll cross into Uganda in this rugged Land Cruiser, again courtesy of Nkuringo Safaris. In terms of gear, I'm equipped with my partner in crime, the Nikon Z9, and a selection of my favorite lenses. Check the video description for a comprehensive list of my gear. Additionally, this trip provided a fantastic opportunity to try out Zhiyun's Smooth 5S gimbal for my smartphone footage. So a big thanks to them for enhancing this experience, and stay tuned to see how these tools help capture our journey. So with that, let me talk less and show more as we hit the road. There's an undeniable magic in the drive, from Rwanda's bustling city life to its beautiful mountainside. The country pulses with life and unexpected moments that beg you to stop and soak it all in, which is exactly what we did. Crossing into Uganda was a bit easier than expected. Literally just a quick stroll, and we were officially stepping onto Ugandan soil. It did make me contemplate the curious nature of borders. For instance, it's fascinating to consider how those living just a whisper away from this invisible line, they share so much culturally and ethnically, yet find themselves under vastly different sets of laws and norms, now either being Ugandan or Rwandan. But don't mind me, these are the ramblings of my mind, and there's an epic volcano on screen from the Virunga Mountains, so let me shut up for now. We attracted our own crowd, which was quite funny, as I noticed the local kids were equal parts curious and also camera shy.
Looks good.
As the rain subsided, we decided to open up the sunroof and enjoy the last part of our drive with a bit of style. A recurring theme of this trip is the warmth and positivity of the interactions with the locals, especially the kids. It's as if their enthusiasm and energy are contagious, leaving you more uplifted after each encounter, and definitely reminding you the world's humanity is worth sharing. So with that, we finally arrived at our first stop, Lake Chahafi, where we'll stay the night and enjoy our epic backyard view. After settling down in my room, my photography spider senses were tingling, so I spent the rest of the remaining daylight doing what I love, which is capture wildlife through my lens. So I hope you enjoy.
All right. Here we go.
And that wraps up the first episode of our journey through Uganda. In our next adventure, we delve into the heart of the jungle on a quest to encounter Uganda's remarkable primates. If you've enjoyed this journey, please show your support by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check the video description for more ways to support my channel. Thank you again for watching, and I can't wait to share our next chapter. Until then, take care.